catch a gun for you now say. It's some yes, I'm trying for me. You do tell me I can. I need gay and to do any casado do. Because you see hospitals are see and you have to talk video near gum. And a video name pro at the expense of the taxpayer. What tell you? After military hospital. See a couple of Busio, say a Mobusio, say, yeah, there is somebody better you. A Gugana for Triso. It's a Busani, a Coco boy, and the best for military hospital, Yano. Machines in a Gumusiano. Sanaka, ye be the year you swear, Nakabe, one of the biggest hospitals in West Africa. Because a 500 bed capacity, and I'm a boy. 500 bed capacity. Menoka say, hospital that's Ugumrem. Machines in a Gumuno Air Pro. But another dog Goku in his own wisdom. And in the wisdom of the Council of States. And in the wisdom of the Achim Mafias. Akobutra Bob said they have almost for Ghana seek about $58 million. Every Ghana foot room at the Kwakwa National Cathedral. Yatam Ghana for Sika over $58 million. And the Kwakwa fulfill the dreams of the Nana Dakwa Kufado, the ancestors. Nina na se oforiata ena so daye se onyaya na nkebeye National Cathedral ena na do da kwakufu ado ebetwa Ghana for ntro se
sikaso omenya ohiamai
waso daye so person ye National Cathedral so onte da nina na se oforiata
omenya ohiamai
ena watam Ghana for sika over $58 million e da kwakotum. As what time Ghana seek over 80 million Ghana cedis budgeted for the National Cathedral. But I was able to say, Seria Hospital that's who rem. After a military hospital that's who rem. Kumawo Hospital is still market time.
Ghana Majo.
And now, ye broke an idea go on Mosa. So it is as if you don't have the Council of State who takes so much about Ghana. You need Council of State to force some impedance or more drain. You need Council of State to form more drain Edema Ghana. You need presidency. How more drain Edema Ghana. Your health ministry or more drain Efama Ghana. The defense ministry and drain Efama Ghana. What they do is for their own interests.
Akoma FM.
It's a nyawa so panasa on 1G pay. As we have Pamuna for Konyaso, I said that be men kwada.
Ghana Majo.
So I will quote from Isaac Adongo. If you want to be a successful armed robber in Ghana, first of all,
Ghana Majo.
I Tasha white. Number 2. O kasabi anu akotu Bible. Number 3. O shawu dem na so obo nyuma bo gospel. O bo so abie na obi anti bi. Na so obo gospel no wie na se ye ba bechewa, obo kro na se ba bechewa. U neighbor sakato so papa we de ne hodwo. Eso na kro no kwa na obo. Ya boga na kro no amasisi a ye celebrating the fact that we've gone to IMF for what? We are celebrating madness, we are celebrating mediocrity, we are celebrating all the nonsense in our country called Ghana. It's the finance ministry. Any miansa biasa, I don't know ya omo Ghana dia to ono mo e dia manchirima. To the extent that in the next 10 years, a kabeko so go Ghana for to the point they say yetimi ntua. It's a young man like me ba mi nya wo no crowd the Ghana ka. Me ba me nya wo no or the Ghana ka. Akoma wo no need just two days to crowd the Ghana ka. Just because of the finance ministry omunim yansa bia. When you guys were in opposition, kasa be brenya numdwa. E kasa sa left and right sa. Ye ba be Ghana dey see ho. Ye ba be Ghana. No, play Nanado voice with mommy. no catch Ghana for say Ghana near friend sika man.
It is Sikaso. Omenyo Hiamai.
Akoma FM.
Enam Amamua Ghana. It is Sikaso. Omenyo Hiamai. It is Sikaso.
A whole finance ministry, a whole economic management team cannot think and put Ghana in the right path. No money say di Ghana for sika via Ghana for sika dia to hono now so enyam mo say ina dey in a hurry wo pro so be kwa tena fie say we be di Ghana eska no mo wi ade gu hono no
ana kafra
enyam mo wo pro so be so bu fie aban mu na mutumi kokko di sika mo wi ade gu hono mo. But you know what?
Ghana Majo.
If prosperity is around, he will come looking for you guys. And he will start judging you one by one.
Ghana Majo.
I am saying Manoya, debut. See, 2019. Muina Munko Records, Muina Mungo Gubehu. The Lands and Natural Resource Ministry. And release about 1 year story. I catch it at the Ghana website here. Say Ghana, you losing $30 billion to illegal mining. Meboa, what I can be. You say you're losing $30 billion to illegal mining. TDA. You say yeti. Atam your crew. And they call IMF get $3 billion. Are we sensible? And we bring them on national television, celebrating them, celebrating this mediocrity, celebrating this madness because of a bomb abu bonti. To a point to say you can't even stabilize the economy.
It is Sikaso. Omenyo Hiamai.
Next year in Ghana will be worse. Next year, 2023 in Ghana, yes, or boy, bosswo. Eti Nakayasi we gold. We are proud of our gold. And the year and the year Juma na Kofuenya BD. Yes, we understand. Abandon to me and fast share from go on more after regularizing the illegal activities of mining. Rather, I don't understand. Or the concession on one call or the concession on one call for. And no move to Adiano AD left and right. And now you're losing $30 billion to illegal mining. If we gonna hire, and yet come your cry. Can afford that? You suffer more for them. The so-called economic management team. Atama moho nwa mukwa ya mpem 47 mukwa shiasa ankura wenu na mu pesa mo kyerese na nkura we na ba be kyerɛ mo nyansa nkura we na ba ka kyerɛ mo say next year don't employ anybody at the public sector. Yay
Akoma FM
ye kwa $3 billion ye wie ya sabet na ho ya ho press conference ahodo ya ho bibia pese ye bia sisi amino ka say the money hasn't even hit our account. Now, Muntie, maybe I will come back to the NDC election. Now, Muntie, the $3 billion now you see a kwakwaje, they are servicing a debt, no. A company now is simple. Sikanenya de beba Ghana, Emma. Bosani akobo ya no si hu na si so no.
Akoma FM.
Na ye kwakwaje bosia e de atwa sa si hu no. Etzika nya de ba beto Ghana sikam. Na ne tedi na ne say dollar ne ba ye de dollar no ekwakotua ye external debt wo ho no mo. Omo ye de omo ka wa ma no ye de kwakosabese that debt no. Na ya swa Ghana cedi. Akwakwasesa into dollar. Ama Ghana cedi no any monyam ama form. So you're not going to get the money. Sikari ye nya ye sanka. I am for munjimi ye. It's a kwamba first wa jo musika and then they say, "Ha, you love mo first ka to so. Roto, mo nya no foforo. Wait, mama mo fa kofo bia wadwuma. Mo tete mo niam so." na se mo antimi anya sika nya de be mamo. This is where we've gotten to. Then you get the president of the Republic of Ghana who was said to say, hey, Africa is beyond aid. When 2018 you were celebrating Africa beyond aid and Ghana beyond aid, and then she said that the somebody should ask Ronaldo. The president say, Onama Oka say, Africa is beyond aid. Admitted. 2018, Oka say Ghana is beyond aid. Meba, you bet you know. 2018 was say Ghana beyond aid. It's a share bay and I'm paying another Dakwakufado. And the Guakom can say, oh, I'm Ghana beyond aid. Na anya just cosmetic and anya just propaganda and you find your politics. And what we say. And if Africa is beyond aid, what has it laid on the table
Akoma FM
for the rest of the world?
If we stop being beggars and spend Africa's monies inside the continent, Africa would not need to ask for respect from anyone. We would get the respect we deserve. Over 30 years ago, one of America's most prestigious Ivy League universities offered a course in Mandarin, which for years had virtually no takers. Today, there is standing room only. And it is not because the course is any easier. It is because the position of China has changed. 30 years ago, 20 years ago, China was nowhere near where it is today. China does not ask for anyone for respect now. She does not need it. Let us make our continent the prosperous and joyful place it should be.
So this is the president talking. He has no shame. And he will be a dinner for. But I am more. As I say, my boss said, yes, also a trust speech. At the moment, paying another for so Uncle Cassanche, yes, I mean, people, presidents, and of course, people around the world. When he can't even manage his own home,
agreement with
if you want to be manager,
is hoping that the finance
if you are from Ghana,
shortest possible time lay the papers for
it's
the House,
yes, why your home? No, you are going to some crack kitty way. 34, 35, 32, 33, 28-year-old guys. I am before no moody who fell no panaka no the white no I did to just like that. Just $3 billion when you have allowed $30 billion to run away from your shores.
I believe we'll have the opportunity to look at that. So I want you to be rest assured.
Sika with the good banks and what Ghana. And render a lot of people jobless. I am more than Sikana coming to be there revival those banks.
The IMF Parliament is hoping that the finance minister will
that's what you are.
Possible time later.
He's still in your government. You are so proud of him because of your cousins
that have been had with the Bretton Woods institution.
I believe that
it will be our advice the NDC say.
Requisite document.
Ghana Majo.
Say Ghana for who about the more. They should maintain Kenoforiata. Momentarily no, because the finance ministry no I well amano. Momentarily no. But the I well amano to money who and that's so. And not finance ministry oh. Because we don't know why I am turning your home into that. Yeah, that do so baby. Eso so some projects and some who so. Now no take be babonte. The finance ministry, you see financial consultants and the Bank of Ghana, so I go this no. And your friend say, your friend go this. Kwame, your friend say go this. Bank of Ghana, Philippa this. Is it Philippa? And that's how this na ha. Oye kwaku, dabi oye kwaku papa. No dabi. Debbie. Kwaku Fosu Banchesa. He is one of the most loose guys in our system.
Akoma FM.
Within 1 year, what you may introduce about more than 3 policy rates. Nina, it is going against his favor. Hey, now there is Diabana. Just common simple sense. Common sense. You have manage a simple a country of about 35 million people. We can manage it. Wow. And so you call ourselves, we have the men. Yeah, the more than 10 years. And about reviving this economy. And I pity for the next government. I pity for them. Njamosoba. No mo so ko bobu se dia gumu sa. No mo mismanaging niam sa. Na fi ekoyanim. It is so sad. Say Ghana ni babu no be any future. Because the leaders we have in our country will not give the young guys any hope.
Ghana Majo.
Abante ye adwuma Ghana na so ye twa de ka 2000, 1005, 3000 na odwane akọ abrochire. Odwane akọ abrochire not because of anything no. Because the system we have in our country is extremely poor. The system in our country led by Nana Addo Akufo-Addo is extremely poor. Ghana man producer Africans should stop begging. Where he himself is a beggar. He's the chief beggar.
It is Sikaso. Omenyo Yamai.
Me kasa se bo mi mema me boss. William Ivansi kuma ba be kasa. We are better akwa NDC for so. Eye me dey say omo first vice chairman wo ha no musi. Me say that kama na ye ne ya. Cause NDC for go ani mas me hu bi da. So someone would want another. Okay, yes. So about the one another that was as the address no. Now find the picture no fatu mama. Now I'm describing another that Akufo-Addo. Now so those of you watching us live on Facebook. Mummy nya da je yen describe the way another that Akufo-Addo sits here. Who's our address come? He is a perfect gentleman in a very nice suit. Nice white, what about the tie? A good year watch. I mean, the watch about is a boarding. The shoe I shall know, no boarding. Everything about him is very expensive. Into a casa na kwadi sikako kwa abeto ne kon. No de sikako kwa di ato ne sa. No onim sa sika sa nyama ni na ye sika de mano. Owi a wasa gya kwa ho asere sika with the same dressing. Forgetting that anybody no convert here. Ebetumi this e dey sika de amano. But what telling the whole anybody na guni kwa what dress kama a perfect gentleman. It is a very nice suit and no gina kwa ho asere sika. Ghana is a very rich country. But we turn out begging for just a mere $3 billion US. It's not a pity.
Ghana Majo.
William Ivansiku Majo.
Well, JB me that's it. Me Joso.
Me did say Bibi Aboko.
Well, I Bibi oh. You see, very sad. Ninyane say o share Ghana senior penny for a manage economy na very very sad. Na JB unim say ye free bibi balance of payments. Ninyane say eniema ye kra eba ye maimu. Ene eniema ye di free maimu so call eye amahodo so no. Enya ade say etali. The year 2021, Enyema imported Yankwano worth about $22 billion. The year 2020, Enyema imported worth $12 billion. It is a whole striking percentage now, about 77 or over 77% worth of importation between 2020 and 2021. The exchange say a balance of payment now. You will need a lot more dollars.
Here dollars do
here dollars be do na yetimi di I importing
na of course
we be to say wheat, we be say fish, we be say frozen chicken. Ye import here na busa ho say Ghana ye koye anasa ye buy. Saa nyema we ni mu nyina no contribute immensely e ma na affect the economy. Unim de bia ye ka dollar ne ho asem. Say ye importe enyema 22 billion. It means invariably on the average you hear that's equivalent in terms of dollars. Now it media purchases and man dia ba on my way same. Assuming say you were a very robust policies to say be yaka planting for food and jobs. Planting for food and jobs, you may ye pa.
Planting for food and jobs is a nice policy,
yes,
but the implementation is poor.
Okay.
Nipa no down on the ministry no down on Abon.
That's right.
One district, one factory is a fantastic policy, but ministry no down on enemy answer be agenda 111. It will not come to any light because ministry no down on in Abon.
So the fact of the matter is that the way you implement policies no and they say because Oshe planning for food and jobs send a chance here bottlenecks a bear mu if all those bottlenecks omutimi address here I think that Ghana should be net producer of certain commodities aside your friend is saying the normal cash crops abeka cocoa cashew timber and what have you no? There are other commodities in Ankasambre no it also in Kayitimi produce enough let me meet a Ghanaian market enough yitimi so export be because there are also some baby to say Jenny I was see a crack Jenny from Burkina Faso and san let me meet local demand no baby to say tomatoes I was see a crack tomato from Burkina Faso and san let me meet a Ghanaian demands no baby to say poultry it did not say to me import it friends say frozen chicken akoko funu e ba o man yi mu omra ye local market no in fact farmers am ya ti assess any Boris be na di nkomo of fiase on number of occasions amana wa me anya ntie say yetimi e de sika ewura ye local poultry industry ni mu a ombetimi a produce enough e betimi meet the Ghanaian demand yetimi export bi.
You see the irony is that na do dan kwakufu ado inject sika e dey run the poultry industry nim Akoma Adako farms
Ghana man
so the sika kakra rem.
Oh yeah,
Boris B so many sika
under 1D1F
under 1D1F
yeah.
Oma Boris B sika
yeah
good owie ya na ono anabusuafo e dey labianka e dey free so it is a public business
unim
and they compete with the local business.
Absolutely.
And the local business also the boy because the demand is not there. The body.
Ghana majo.
And as I go through free family business la bianca no. And the no mom na the boy and also the AD.
Unim JB
competing with the local business on what this
problem. JB a problem a political financing.
Hey.
And no has been
majo.
The root cause of enema you nyina. Because this is a reality. Omo finance politicians you know. A good number of them are businessmen omo importers. Such as here. The agreement normally is that Semeba, I will have to protect your business. And only regardless say on juma na o ye no, it affected the local economy and I say it affected the local economy. You can name them. What Kalambianka. There are a number of them, in fact both MPP and DC. There are a number of almost financiers, most of their financiers, importers. So they are saying, now will be this Ikama. I'm out there campaign. I'm where we near. You have to pay the person back. So it is definitely certain policies, will be tailored in a way. Say the financiers will also be okay. Until say you as a country. Your drew level be as I say. It was so be didn't queen. It's yes so yeah we are coming out with policies your local content like local production
Evans, do you know something? A country like Russia, actually that creates millionaires, billionaires.
Yes, oligarchs.
Billionaires, not for any reason. And the reason is that they say Russia and Ukraine queen. That's a second Russia. These billionaires will come and support their country.
Yes.
But Ghana, deliberately, you're good businessmen in Yuma.
Yes.
Because of politics.
Because of politics.
Because of dirty politics.
Because when they say onunenya tumi no say when opponent no an opposition adwuma opposition no betimi mobilize resources.
And that
be no also they be fighting politically.
But that is stupidity at the highest level. What the media tell me not because of anything, no. But it is because people are not thinking. Reasonable people are not thinking. These people we claim say but they are not thinking.
Jebunim solution in you. Omampeni Adodankwa Ekufuado, His Excellency 2018 emi say what the history na gu from kama pa e dia metie for eka say Ghana beyond aid. In fact, the French president Ebaye Macron oka kire no say it's about time yetimi win yourself from a foreign aid. The big question is, since time oka no any summary yankasa us the frontiers or the front runners through our president as Ghana or Africa beyond aid, you know. Yankasa ya brabo eti saying. What the kanka says is here nam yesresre. In fact, ya stress sika ya bobesia mabesiana could do level be say. See a debt no, a do level be say ya hit the rooftop wa. Ya hu hye nyi. Sika bi pokra ni benya yentimi fan service principal. Ya the service interest. Ya kwa masaze ya degrade ya to the level say ya IMF no kura so ye say here no IMF has set conditions am I say ansana omekwa de be gina kwan no so na yatimi akoya nim na ya de ansa kura hye first and krata ase no e wo se de nema bi gu akwan mu a ye debt no ye betimi ayehu bibi eno ne de restructuring ni aba restructuring ye mu na haircut so ayede abamu yi enti JB ensem ne de o trans na se o kan o be kan ma de achen ne mom there should be deliberate effort say we are going to the government is going to support the local industry for them to be able to thrive. But JB there be America say in every serious country the finance minister must go, the Bank of Ghana governor no must also go. Share the last time I make catch it say from 1992.
Do you know say Akoma FM Tama krata ba bontia ye ka say ya pamo Chasedubuahe.
Yeah.
I say because of an expose.
Yeah.
Only said about 3 days after ye kwa IMF negotiation. Only say no ka ho.
Oh, of course. Say
the same person who sacked Chasedubuahe was the same person who dedicated.
Yes.
Chasedubuahe said negotiate.
Yes.
What is this?
You see, it is JB the na meka amanakusi and say in every serious country the finance minister must go, and yet the Bank of Ghana governor no must also go. Look,
no,
they say what to,
because they don't have credibility.
Yes, you see,
they don't have integrity.
They say Bank of Ghana condition as part of their conditionalities, you know. Yasha must say public sector ain't mean for for next year.
Serious.
Meaning say then seeming graduate almost so ever out already they are unemployed, you know. Omunya baby anya adwuma. Pressure ning na wose call the private sector. Now this is the deal. Private sector also say ono so timi fa enipa. No so timi nya adwuma ye na afei omunye ska kakra eto bobotom no. When increase policy rates, may man lost count the number of times I will increase policy rates. And then okope bosia or banks no credit me catch us say yentimi more besia because we interest now untimi ntwia.
Oh, of course. Now,
and as I say, government to cross untimi more besia.
Sana fa when my guy no fan so.
Sorry, I say untimi ntwia.
Yes.
Eti the private sector and most of the last week ye ni AGI for no kasa impeni for no. E mo ka say next year omuntimi mfa nipa because omuntimi mpo expand it. No ma fa nipa. Bosia na obekọ akọgide expand bosia na se yemfa ma. E na afi dollar isusu anwe ne se nyame adom afi na eba fon kakra no krambo yenim
now if I share Saturday way now go on Facebook now share Saturday way from Ghana Commercial Bank. This is a message from two different people. My message my name read fato now obi okobo obosia wo Ghana Commercial Bank last year. If I say you obi aha no for the picture the other two on so that we'll be able to read. Now we cry to say dear Charles. Give me the other one. Na yenya da jeni kenka ni ye. Good. Na bia mu ye. Na bia mu ye. Fa me wona ate brofo. Me nim say bia from where you sit. So met me na waka brofo ni ye di amamia. Na yenya da jeni cheche mu. But bia mu ye mami. Bia mu ye mami. Bia mu ye mami. Now so this is an innocent person. Innocent lady awakwa sika. Ewo Ghana Commercial Bank 2 years ago.
Okay. It was say recent development in the economy have led to increase in interest rates, which has resulted in the JRR increasing from 14.18% in March 2022 to 27.44% in October 2022. Oh well. Enti the best of change and say ahwe niam ekoso e wo man ni mu a e say ehwe it is okase niam ekoso na say Bank of Ghana monetary policy rate no akoba say e wo so omo so interest rate no omo increase no in fact or hano quote Bank of Ghana there no 14.18% in March 2022 to 27.44%. It's where Bank of Ghana policy rate no it of course say we need the bank for no Bank of Ghana dem bank for no it's a feel bank for say dey omo dey beto and no am friend lending rates and that's what I can say interest rate. So as a result of this the interest rate on your loan with GCB Bank PLC will increase effective 1st November 2022. In line with the terms of your facility agreement, your monthly repayment amount will now be 620. Now only be omo lending rate on bank omo farmer because sometimes no Bank of Ghana did 27.44% amount omo timi so also so
yes but what if the irony in this what if the irony in this nipa wey and just loan way in 2022 or in the last 2 years and oguso otua
yeah
it's oguso otua no dey say because of policy rate bi abanti I affect no. It's your first account of Angus and Park so no the old Chia Franca.
Yeah.
And I maybe a simple question. Meaning, if you are not doing also with that experience, I'm going to share. You will share with me those experiences. Maybe one simple question say, it is a commercial so tier loan rate and as a policy rate no. So better man. Obviously no. So why are they adding up to the ordinary person who came for a loan because only sika? Wababa say free ho no more pesika e dey akokoye na djuba. Now what's this account they good so because of bad policy, bad governance, bad regulations.
Akoma FM.
When the person himself they did not you know na course yet.
Ghana majo.
Enya me fum so. Nipa oje sa bu say we nya the fum so. But ya the account they good so because aban bi bi hye enti. And my Bank of Ghana ehu na ni so. And now Akoma do commercial banks what is say almost go say. So it means that now Manena so please now so 14.18
in March
and now I shoot to
27.44 now the hard you woman say it your band say ya two options either say obeko a year or credit manager no and our bank no ho now on na transfer say okay fine me se moka se mo teme with the new rate na me ho be kire me bia me sika nyina besa eti either se mo be ma me se bia 2 years na o se me twi a mo fa 1 year enka me ho na mo maintain rate no ma mo spread but you see don't forget say some the 1 year ne ka ho na say another MPC and another lending rate saba na increase here and so almost had the back ho so they say eti now the system is very frustrating JB
eti show we nya no so
Debbie
wakwaje bosia 2 years ago hwe fania ono so ye video do fato so this is coming from one person where your ba and we so ye be ma ono so ye train teacher fe na ono afi na wakwakopa bosia bia ono e de ye na ala bio and look at where and what he is doing now near video anyway. For video the other so. Now, so it is the same message now you're sending across Omo Majibusia with Ghana Commercial Bank now. By no fault of his, and you know the folks so. But I ban the Bonnie B and the Baba and then I affect you Obi Majibusia at bank. Now, Cecilia from next year, Kono, Nipanda Kokutia more.
Yeah.
And you have a count more than what he's paying right now.
Yeah.
Minim Ebian also what that experience be. Send a voice note for fast number we so.
Now, only say JB, enye bank in Kwana issue no ewo. JB, o share import duty a. JB SFM. O taxes e guso. Na mekra Elantra. As at September or July, na duty no 18,000. As at November, na duty no shooting from 18,000 to 47,000.
18,000 to
47,000. And we had the Wuchia big Kakraka, and here the Wuchia airport. Our Naba e-coms platform, so. Say, all day, a year shipping line fee, container fee, Ebekanwa. One free port no approximately unchia krano. Now chia over 55,000 Ghana cedis. Maybe a car no auto car no be 30,000. Enti car what on 30,000 no year free port no. What chia 55,000 Ghana cedis. What it means is that say uyo bia yes. Uyo bia o share cost no ne nema o say sane tedi ma minya car no kra report. There ya ne say uja car no so report o beton car no be 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Because of that it is so report awon. Baby a cars ni go no. Cause we had snap egu on mo nya asem ketwa. Because we confront the out of frustration and the cause we had snap and the kokogu ko bodia.
Unim say uyo bia ni kwan say ocean car kra o kopre.
What you want to pine wow?
Yes. Auction car kebia opa men compressor upebi. Honestly, because cars is a good those cars and items in so. So they are say any can say okopebi.
Mama for voice not to do now. So the frustration that World Bank of Ghana, mo dia transfer dia Ghana Commercial Bank. As you see, ada baba gubu amu wo bosia mo kwaje bosia wo Ghana Commercial Bank. As you see, as bu betua dodo no. Mumma aboso na next betua de dodo pa. Mo fa mo voice note no fan send this number we. 0505 43 77 99 0505 43 77 99 0505 43 77 09. Now so obet me the number no there to Facebook page now go for so SNA omo notes voice note efamra 30 seconds 40 seconds voice note wait me asene dia ba na yeah, I'm by staff
level agreement with the IMF. Parliament is hoping that the finance minister will, in the shortest possible,
I think we should deal with NDC
for the House to look at it and consider the agreement that
make us ask him because first vice chairman
institution.
And I party sympathize as well.
Requisite documents.
So also purpose no way.
Will be subjected to parliamentary scrutiny.
Now, so the NDC.
What has been announced. Every
you cross the same do Krom Hanu Museya.
Representative to look at.
And what day?
Who have the opportunity.
What's it?
So
That's American.
To be rest assured.
Minister Sasu is so Jenny.
TV3 News.
Not yet. NDC for constituency elections. And some places enya casualties bebre in Tokwa. Yan papai party niema yes a party niema. Your office is your papa no party office your papa yes a niema ho. That issue were not those issues were not resolved at the constituency level. Yeah, the national regional Baba Sports Stadium. Emma police had to run for their lives because of a certain so-called vigilantism of metro guys. And this is what the metro guys go Baba Sports Stadium one. Emma bo and you huna ne nyama cross over by sports stadium no because they couldn't control their system. Emma Ghana Police Service for every drama service from the outside, from the Friday say, outside the inner perimeter. Not tie. Ekoko wi achire. Basa yes, and in fact, some of them I was there and I watched them. Omo contest about me. Me show mudi na ba ko say onya na bono. I was like, wow.
Akoma FM.
An NDC member telling an NDC member so she na bono. Anso wa yakoto baba na wie, omo ato baba na wie bibia ye di ni nasefo, omo akomo ntokwa nim gwase aba ye che ba ko bi ni mienu bi ni ade. Na won't say something. No more control regional and the national youth and the women's wing elections. Hey, and now people are coming out with dirty facts.
Akoma FM.
And some are omo brodia go on mo nyasem ketwa. Omo go when the mass left and right just because omo petu me Eddie.
Ghana Majo.
Within the same party, 2 million omo penalty. Sir, chairman of Oswald for cap. Enya say do ketia cap that's or ijena odina tema. Me wo bi aso ni mu. Sir chairman ya say do ketia camp. Enya chairman of Oswald for that's or so pana. Pablo camp. Enya Pablo.
Akoma FM.
Brojaja fi and Pablo. So sa. So you ask yourself that, is this the alternative you are looking for? Is it a kind of alternative? And a Kumasi for and I said Ghana for a pair. And now some want to know if you are command your moon to see how the frustration setting in. The National Democratic Congress, the NDC, Amanyokwa and conform respectable pay. And I'm going to so. Na kanya kra na ka out of NPP for frustration ya as I set in as Zebu Hunyo Muye. Na ka NDC for betimi aba be ye bibi kakra. As mu hwe about 20. Omu diomu want them left and right. And nobody is telling anybody anything. As you may say, Council of Elders for the release the Bia Basse and the Guasiano, why Mogum must be a year. I do bro because I change a quacotuaba. Yes, it tape will be a bar. A general said don't get your tape, a leaked tape. But it is not a leaked tape. I make it on record before you play that tape. Last Saturday, Anna, General Secretary, is your pet chairman. Asia government appointees, former appointees. Anna Yamwaponko ho, na Zuba Ohobi, na Ambassador Ohina Jekum. Eso ho no mubi. And Anna Johnson said don't get here, address you. And I said, was it a Friday or Saturday? Are you sure? It was on Saturday. Friday. Okay. And I said tape way back one thing, and people are saying, sir, it is a leaked audio. And I'll pay me that Japan, Yamapo got him come into details. And he said, look, this is not a leaked audio. It was a deliberate recording. Now, so a deliberate recording. And a munya would say, Sunya, that Jets are on Muama, Papa, the can your person can all in the name of 2 minutes. For the benefit of a moment, tape, no. You take a
say your first ya chiche nyuma
your director of election and your director of IT. Director of election about to do so about to own she woman say a best select party agency be training or more be deploy or more accreditation BBBA. A directorate of election. And now, personal directorate of election, one more to sign a collation. And I say, see, I use electronic means, I did a collation. And I say, Debbie, Yansam Encrity directorate of IT, and the appointed director of IT, or also the best established platform one. Yet the best transmitting results near quality. And the Adjuman will be Adjuman, the amount. No crow says, our officers mean one more reported to me say overall boss chief executive it will be a juma one more reported to it will be beka say one more reported to me nti collation no anchor so no me chefa wo mu a meti ase at the chief of it he say you will nipa a wo di say adwurum da moto abama e trade fair wie ya ye ba office na say afi appointed directors and na chairman for kofa na list ba say appointed. In the national executive meeting, yana nipa more than 100 and eba region be nipa 555 MPC eba yani amato abama national level nyina ye betrem ne ade enti ye be meeting ne be prove sa appointees President Mahama Ntimiama wanya kwaya enti odin Krasoma Julius dem say o mebo ya mane say osreye appointments ya aka no nyina wo monye na wo monya mi nunu de yemfa nto hansa na akire oba na ye nyina ya twatwa adwe ne ya ye ho na wo mo presidential primaries na wo ye na ka 1 month nti yentwa ne yento saaba no wie na ekwa mu na ho se afedie ye yi no se ono na ye flabera so ono na ye flabera e se abato no or no battle because presidential elections won and the parliamentary elections won. Presidential election and Mahama election. Until one more ever so, or more ever collating adeno. As a senior officers here, no one can say you were moody. Until they are not to hope now, but no, also the issues you bar. The bit me so Junior who say, win a director of election, win a director of IT, a bebois. Enti asem we say nanka is so simple obebo amane no and so surprisingly say Julius no na oni ampof wa asem wo eastern region wo say dey o kan ya ampof mu ni ya ta say o pese o kire say sabre ye ni leader o party no this e twan Mahama ono obeye leader no aba be ya appoint nti me kan mama ti ase say ene ye wo leader no ne me ofusu ampof enu nti no wo ma me kwa na menye maduma
Ghana Majo.
Because until then, no say only Mahama or problem one now, no problem one now because I don't see so. Akoma. Enunti also on so. Can be can.
Okay. And where are the voice of the current general secretary aspiring to be the chairman of the party, NDC party, Johnson Asedun Ketia, popularly, commonly, easily, and simply refers to as General Mosquito.
Ghana Majo.
Me say be also my voice note number no is 050 0505 43 77 99 0505 43 77 99. Obet me the odiaba na yedi nkomo. Now ma menje kratomra just 1 minute. Me ko ba the first vice chairman Captain Kwame Jabari. E wo fie ha no mu say Saso ena ofata e wo fie ha. E be di nkomo because a build up to the national elections. Very interesting. Campus reshe mood asesa. She said we hu we obu we de tie. We hu we so bu we de tie. Ni kasa kasa ye triwo sa so we me de masa. Etu anto se beto ba na wie de. Obi anya fine. But nyame adoma Saturday. Kai. Baku be super. And of course, it's either chairman of Osampofo or just the Sedun Ketia. Fifi Avikote. Elvis a free anchor. Choboy. DJ Bominyum. A contestant for the general secretary position. Otu Kono. A commodity dosu. I'll give you details of this and more here on Ghana Majo. Maybe this is here.
Nipa nipa Akoma FM so de wonu say nipa nyina da Yakoma so afia no ahia bi abusuafo bedidi abusua be shatade enti wadwene ho da say yenua no a wedidam wo nipa dua ho akwa ba bia wo ntumi nko na wo mo emma wo mo ni bie mobrowa enyanka enwisia ene ekunafo edie nkura ena wo mo bedie Nisa enti ena Akoma FM yakutu asre ya dofo etiefo nyina se momeso yasene na yenkodum abusua bibi nti wo nsantumi enko wo ano ewo bra afia no ahia na yemfa sede enhya dofo yafunu mumba kai se de wo hunu mobroni mobono odi femewrade edien ena wo betumi ede aboa yen emo anwa entuma duku entade empabua doko die ben enuane ben fabra na nyame ebehiraw se wo wa brochire ana achirichiri na wadoye no eyesika fafa
0242261550 0242261550 edia ebeba TV3 Network Limited
nemmom se wo wone ma na ontumi mfama na yemeje anampo upenchiremu foforo ewode media ma wuyi achi a frɛ
0246766060 0246766060
Akoma chedi adwumadie eye Akoma 87.9 Onuye TV and the 3 Foundation and Akabom Edebrewo Media Partners eye TV3 and Graphic Communications Limited Akoma achedie ni benuya ni nipa.
Okay, so yedi kobona yahwe the NDC elections ni mu kakra na yeba Evans why follow elections ache enye afeni yeba be dissect into the issues but me dem say what the issues na kokko so dodo na.
That's right.
I don't know what you make of some of the issues audios that Abani be from Sedun Ketia camp, from Chairman of Osuampofu camp, from Pablo camp, from Broja Jamfi camp. I mean, Sami Jamfi, and Sam George, just say they are going dirty.
Okay, medase bio afiebede yeti fuase. Unim JB, there's nothing wrong say oye ebi a national executive member na elections drew and I say be a regional executive member na elections drew na overthrow support behind any of the contestants and I say aspirants and I feel like candidates. There's nothing wrong with that.
I see.
But yeah, ankasa yeah part of the world, you know. Eba no say your democracy, of course, there be a case democracy no egusua enyini. Ekwan efa so yeah ankasa politics no sometimes be o ha time. Na o share MPP any NDC a omo problem na ye ba kope. What bo a constituency in fact NDC crowd the MC omo call branch eba ward eba constituency no yenya casualties bebre as compared to
bakumienu na eba ye no
yes na very dirty
na okay kan bakumienu na eba ye na
yes
okay kan people for dey be 10 boma na ye
NDC uni be say o share enema a course and of course na build up no na eba because at the regional level at the regional level tell one call to youth any your friends and women's organizer now wasn't come to ewo KNUST issue back on about
2 days or a day before no 2 days
issue back a bar home a teen album oko NDC constitution moi article 22 cross 5G in fact
article 22
cross 5G
I'm here say me who okay what so
NDC article 58
okay
from article 1 to article 58
okay
the only article I mentioned thing article 22 clause 5G line back up
plus 5G
come me here
22 clause 5G
come me here
one woman commissioner for each 10 institution accredited to the party and 2 women organizers from each foreign branch.
asa
eno ano no 10 for the eno ano
10 for the mu ano no
oh
oko MPP constitution mu a MPP dey na article 9 clause 25F
I see
and the meaning so the article 9 clause 25F and also so and chere and mention Tescon I mean giving them the mandate to vote
emo akwenya so mo di to aba na because say no more executives
winning bibi that winning who say o kan eyo constitution na it means state say ten no kra no of course apart from women commissioner na kan no eba no other your friend say executives are chairman oye ten and also oye Tescon in the case of the president oye ten and oye Tescon in the case of the MPP and constitution man ho kwan say onyina the other members of Tescon yes and twaba on their behalf ana
I see
to say I mean MPP NDC for to omo women's organizer okay constituency be women's organizer
yeah
at the regional level women organizer and then the deputy omo koi former women organizers enya akonya ne kotubi and MPs almost ye ma ensunya akonya ne kotubi it clearly obia no constitution no echre nipa obetimi aiden atoaba but in the case of omo ten any Tescon no enye definite
I see
it will be na ekoba say youth organizer no the sitting youth organizer no ohene bia no ho ya kire no a na fi wa take solace ewo ten na say Tescon no be say ho no manipulative system no it is a very good rapport with the your friend is saying the various universities now and don't forget say even among the ten and Tescon no omuntimi enchese bia accredited universities so they are say it is a bia obia obia na se bia ono so ate e bia institution bi 3 man 4 man institution bia na se bia ono so timi titen bia na Tescon bi ho a o se me qualify so me to aba ni bi it will be true at the voting time no or during voting will be true why ya catch us say we dey won qualify or say it is na me qualify because constitution it say me qualify but constitution it means state say bia nipa asumasi to say specifically o state for women's organizer no at the constituency level no the women organizer too also mutimi beto abani bi determine who become the national women's organizer at the regional level no e bia women's organizer and deputy e bia former women's organizer also mutimi to abani bi 10 Tescon intimi make that definite your friend say we say no eti say youth organizer no who say oh he has the constituency is very big will tell you obeso fa kwan bia so it is what me gidi and that's what me fight na say go through there na no win so they say it is o fight na say bia opponent no so anu audience say tell there and you almost it dey here say obi ko di injunction no injunct it will hear the course war take na take for ntimi anto abani when you say MPP July at Baba Sports Stadium they delay Tescon for 3 to 4 good hours it asenso boache bae no and o ka say no in fact Tescon na asenso boache so they say on everybody no fight here no one next say into omo your friend is saying we omo consider omo amend the constitution no omo next say no so they say it asenso boache so dey be se beka kofa confusion about there in a Tescon for me dey munya nchen ansa na ba no koso na minim nyame adoma mpaye ne yebo say national congress ne dey at least ani ma ne dey enkupie ho because July fine omon kan ba July Tescon for ne ba ho eba MPP time no ba ho okay well because the difference is say that time dey omoto a friend is saying omoto youth ni na fry enti omo ba be ye omade but well what I'm getting now and say NDC the team for no eba other position na omo no entimi entubi omo ntimi ntubi
I see
enti ye hope say nyame ya adoma Saturday
I see
injunction bia entimi MPO because over 9,000 delegates absolutely and omo ko to aba no 81 a friend is an aspirant or candidate but for now no say you be 6 a frame approximately because omato women's organizer and a youth organizer any of the deputy ome frame the friend say kura no be 75 aspirant there omo e ko face a friend say omo ko pray for approximately 10 or so position. Now a 14.
Yeah.
Don't forget say you to women's organizer and women's film. So approximately say 10 position.
Okay.
Over 75 aspirants corporate. Over 9,000 delegates.
We shall see. Captain John Kwame Jabari.
Baby.
Majwe.
That's it.
Bibi aboko there.
Bibi aboko minya.
Eda yami ase. Ofata. Majwe.
That's it. Bem Jesu we see.
Bibi aboko.
Yami adom na mpaibo.
Bibi aboko.
Yami adom na mpaibo.
Captain.
Minya.
Well, I just said moto mo abawie ma mentina se. Moto mo abawie I think say you haven't had time to talk to you. Victory net is saying.
Victory net pa ba mbese me correction kakra.
Okay.
Yeah, national elections.
Ya to bombo.
Almost selected 5 10 institutions on Kotoba. In the Ashanti region say there were 31 schools are accredited to the NDC in
that is Ashanti region.
So they have 31.
Okay.
So among the 31, they will vote for 5 people to go and vote for the national election. So among two abani we know okay. These 5 people can go and vote, and they go and vote for every position.
I see.
The National Congress over there. So
okay.
Take part in.
But
it's not all of them. Yeah, so the 5 people from Ashanti region 10 will go and do that.
Okay.
That election.
So NDC for in Ashanti region, your first vice chairman, Captain Kwame John Jabari, and they were for time of your hand to say. You might be come in the next 30 minutes. Now, if we are and the machine that I'm in per se, it be come over brave because build up to the NDC's election. Captain, I'm starting through on Mona to see how una wabem. Una kuta position.
Okay.
Yeah, una kuta position. So far, first vice chairman, what's that, Juma?
Yeah, I say Juma, but just that because of the national elections, you know, everything is preparation towards
national elections.
You know, so basically, that's what we have been working on.
And I'm feeling it to say, being the first vice chairman, Oko campaign, Oko tour around across the 47 constituencies of Ashanti region. Almost the 2 minute amount. How was the feeling like?
Oh, it was. I knew I was going to win. I didn't know it was going to be this massive, but I thank them for having confidence in me and for believing in my integrity. So, the delegates in there, the moon nurse say, on day start to win and we are not going to disappoint them at all because the party is more poised for power 2024 because the party is an election winning machine. It's not an election losing machine. And that is exactly what we are going to put the party to do 2024.
I see. Now, so far, I mean, what in Sembebre? Party no moon come in Ashanti region. Senate is here. In terms of unity.
Oh, we are more united than before. We the regional executives and the constituency executive, we are more united. We understand ourselves. It's a party going forward in 2024 no in Kabum any Jumadin ni bit me winning elections so Juma you know together together Ashanti region I see region party na can here
but me who say Mumu start here because of the national elections
say akonya to forma party mala ne pre the party man prayer yemucha kakra yeko regional
yemucha de ye ni kakra wo ndumucha mumu ache
yeko regional elections no party no muche constituency ko a wesi me to ama we ya to abare we ni na no bibi abada din sa it's the same way na national elections abai wesi me to ama G4C wesi ko C4C wesi me ko Elvis wesi me ko Otukono wesi me ko Yamin wesi me ko Akamba wesi me ko chief organizer chief Baini we see me ko see me see so about one year ko akonya na ato ti na ko pre nti upo a wo say mo supporters na say delegates no try to align themselves but yen toka a campaign here
but the boy when it ya anu toka e course so was it last Saturday e wo Cape Coast
me hu bibisa
Well, who be beer as well? Who be bisa?
What am I keep so be?
Now, who to acquire course?
Maybe I'm on to Canadian, but me
who paid
the breeze of the Entocaso.
Who pay no more to Canadian?
Me free demo conference or Piena.
Jamoko to Canaway.
Oh, it was close to where the conference or where they were going to do the voting on manner.
No more.
Oh, I can't pinpoint the groups, but who's the party? Ejuma sorry, Sana. Party sympathizers be briefly across all the countries. Come by, winting and me buy. And I said, at that time, no, not 10%. I was sort of that. To work at the kitchen, the slightest thing, now I'm at 10% across Rona. I shall say 2 years, Sakra. But unim say Fibia, Mensa, Fibia, Unia, no brother, no sister, cra, Wolfie, Mupona, blood brothers and crown. Sometimes no 2 months. So definitely, normal party BM, even a broche party crowd. Sometimes you know, it's a 2 baby. But yeah, we are near traffic, near certain issues, you know. Now let bygones be bygones. So those issues you are framing for anybody come.
So what me identify those people? Because Ghana Police Service identify those people. I can say, omu here omu. So are they?
Do you want to go for mumra?
Minister, so where they go go for nani?
And omu here omu want to go for mumra.
I said they have been declared wanted.
So they should look for them and send in the party any problem. They have declared them wanted. They should go look for them.
The point is, what move omu photos nunti? Maybe say uni momuana.
Oh, minimum mubia.
So they can also not be identified as NDC people.
Ubi about party on the media for by party sympathizers by food vendors by a lot of people came there. So those people are sympathizers of the party. So definitely be my party ma. And maybe say we be the conform by someone there. We born by. So so about the club wanted that they should look for them.
Okay. Into as we speak, who are camp now?
What camp saying?
Oh, camp. I mean, ahead of more national elections, no.
You can say camp. I mean, maybe one I'm supporting and
yeah, I mean that is the normal language. Who support? What true support Amobi?
Oh, my true support Amobi.
I see. What am I?
General Sedin Kitia.
General.
Yeah.
I see. I see. Opata Bremwe. Na. Bibi aboko there.
Bibi aboko. So said they will nanya boko sir.
Woko abato na. I mean, yedi can start in free honomu. Woko abato ni wie no. Bia Mike no Fabra Woko abato ni wie no. I mean, how was the feeling like? Net say.
Oh, the coalition.
Yeah.
Delegate in this is not my time. Than to amami. But I did change to understand. I did change. I'm a radio. If you want me to stop way, maybe be a communicator. Me ye Juma party. And unti me gusua ye party then Juma.
I see. Wabemu.
Oh, one way or the other, no, Wabambe bu. But Wabamu Musa would jai party Juma. Wabambe bu in a certain situation say, we share commitment out the ye party Juma. Na what do party now person kai brass will say party need to our canenso. Party no munesado. Wabambe bu say Gidia war or party mono amasa. So as a political party no. Yeah, even apart from that, we say downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Until we have to move on. Near your pertinent, because some be deputy communication officer, and that's NDC that's so oppositional. As soon as will be a and as a man, your position, and that's something yet when NDC back power. As soon as we said, woman pended out of work. Until we have to move on.
Until why you're disappointed?
As a woman being, me, Metranka said, man, because
I don't walk now.
Oh, my investigation can be a room. And also can be a man.
I see.
Yes. And also can be a man.
What first can be a room?
Oh, Debbie.
I mean, a bit of years can do winning.
When they say election, they say, I want to say, I come to stay. And you can never run away from that. The time advice it to us or cacao boy and son or winning. But be a want to be coming from a bet. I hear Claire, when him, I hear no credit. Because I election, I'll call you. Delegate in Swaba.
na de tina
obeye posters obeye banners obeye we
o ye ni na bi
na anye bi me ye poster ba ma anye banner ma anye Friday.
That's also boka kakra.
Oh, one way and make say one way of the other say process ni adidie. Obey ba say me ye be boss ni saade ni die.
But delegates so call all the 47 constituencies.
Me call 43.
43. What to be a call 47 in now? But 43 no say then how the car na be call so how ni omu din komo ni ade. Nti one way or the other boka kakra. I see. So ya to aba na wie I mean omo wini ye no mo de omo at na access ndwe mu.
Oh, NDC ni superior than individual interest.
I see.
NDC no is superior than individual interest. And ebi mu ye NDC na adwuma san ebi mu ba. And unti se ye koto aba wie na se wunya ya na wa nya. It doesn't mean say entina captain can say be na me hwe na nim mienu. So all kono na onim so oba we ne de. Na onim se obenya sa vote no.
Yeah.
So tiase.
Yeah.
Na we gidie
so be winning.
So be winning.
But massive too massive.
Sa emma.
I say odone broso.
Sa what tiase.
Yeah.
NDC ye hwe wonyuma. Ye hwe wasem ene utirimu pa wo de maye. Sabi walaji sane ni adimu nyina se ye ka. Say captain wabeto walaji sane mu wom. But people tell us here say there be this time round the past mercy and I say any here no ye fa no nko no anu de na be ye vice. What you say?
Yeah.
Enti de here na walk na enkoye na no ne o say ye adwuma ni unity na no walk an wasem no. Important part.
Or the aba.
Oh, say fadi on farmer say nya one waka so munya start adwuma. And because of Congress na ekọ no. Onu akura ne ultrasense bi a o kan mframa mu no. What the unity now, Captain Castle Pen.
What kind of way?
Sister says, me can be a video in the said you are accusing Nana Kwesi prepare a handy note. Say, in case of a say, don't get your way near.
I see.
And the unity bar.
I see. Well, for the purpose of the on what I will refer to him, but
we want that unity, say,
yeah.
Congress way a when your first Congress NDC you?
It means to say mu in a social camp.
Oh, yes, I associate ye NDC Juma.
But Obia
NDC no.
But Obia was supporting
no. Yes, and until I na. Ye quality no because say we ye tribalistic we ye say Obia will be an interest wo.
Yeah.
Utu mutan Obi crash wo because say why me ye Methodist ni. And just say ye Methodist ni kwa de meto ama no.
Yeah.
Oh, because we me Muslim, me we Muslim, and I need to cry a Muslim, and why you're not met one man.
Yeah, yeah.
And we'll be so say, and Juma me shall we aye, and it will bet me a yenti, which you say, meant to man and now, Montomano.
Into one out of support, Amano.
Oh, me support to C for C.
C for C, no.
Time of a swamp of.
Hey, Nadia, no. C for C. Chairman.
General, why chairman? When we say general, be a friend chairman.
Debut, general.
General.
Yeah.
But chairman.
Difference when no.
Difference woman say general, general. Baby, I wouldn't general. Okay? Wouldn't say your car, baby. Car be out you fit a form young woman.
And
the fit and Nina would do engine command now. Well, yeah, what to my man, yeah, come on. A be a wingy na the corner, your box.
Yeah.
But we fit any. Say what car no tie no, it to not tie no, at Danchaya. Grim na the time is doing so by yet fit any.
Yeah.
But we ye jabos and betting yes, tie and
Debbie.
And to be a fit any dear, Nelson fit any beer on the field by beer or master. Sign at the same car no, with the electrician of the Jinawa, where a car fit any. And I'm a but why electrician? Ti do ye tie ni ye no and no ye engine you no so ye no ntimi nye electrical yinti ono so na be ye
nti wo kwa ma chairman of Osampofo
ono so na be wen ni ono so na wose NDC e ma na wen ni.
I see.
Because one ye si onim to ene ye dini gina twen no ano ana se be ko gi ni dini a wo gi na kono
e de no waye
minua first time in Ghana history nin kadisa Buzia seat opposition yet me aji. You will say, don't get your young in a penasmo, your penasm papa.
Buzia seats, that is Wenchi.
Wenchi.
Yeah.
I said look at you don't know.
Yeah.
So beka brana kwaku anyi do ho.
Abasa I said look at you was MP ewo wenchi ana.
No was sekwa.
Sekwa. But that wenchi na kan ho.
Debi.
Sir.
1992 a oman ko parliament no. Enko ana etimi ko ente say look at you also no about 96.
Yeah.
So beka ya.
But
that time so ni a che sekwa ne wenchi no.
Yeah.
Ya nyeda.
Okay.
Na say look at you so the general secretary 17 good years. Our year bununi.
Yeah.
I what can ho. Went me anye amaye. And this will be the chairman who just says it in my wait me cream ownership.
Oh, but say
wait me cream ownership.
But say just one out of. I mean, some no also can be.
One out of.
Some no also can be.
7 new constituencies and na yeta. Papa yandan west so bekaya. Near 106 parliamentary seats.
Yeah.
Na January we this 17 years old. Obianka so onye adwuma ye adwuma pa ye yesu gina adwuma no. But the Ghana ni this ni bia kan say anka obiantina ne fie ho. Ade na odi akonya miensa ne ba ye mode amaye. Na captain so enti wo se chinchina me sorry na o metena me media ne so kwaku anyi do ho ye na dwe se okọ general secretary no. Ye nyina sorry ka chese kwaku apre ho. Anya bre ni nie. There is time for everything. And to bet me take decision bien you good pa but decision who taking a wrong time e be you wrong and I bet me take decision bien e wrong but who taking a good time still e be you wrong.
So I say don't get take a wrong decision to you Anna
to the masses
no money why no
Ghanaians
Ghana for be
e bi na gina na wo ka wa we one of them wo ka say NDC funky nim say mo ye alternative as a buy we kwa ana wo ye ne niam atroka hwe anim guasie kufu adu gu wo man ni Ghana e wo senka ye tenase na ye ka no ene general na dik NDC ni bia wura ba bia ya wura all in the name of position at 20 how ne say general ka so wo kwa ni general secretary na won say minim de and wo so ani afi ya election e wo Ghana ha mo say du katia wa ye poster krada
David
wo say du katia wa TS form krada
well
one be da
no but I say du katia ya juma
be da
no me
and no kire say NDC for do aye de do no na juma o ye wo secretaryship won ye ni je ho enti kwaku anyi do ho kura ba ka chen to wo bo anya brewe
okay so
it is a decision a general take you say me free general secretaryship akọ chairman no and the NDC no wo mani nyina ko dum pempen so a ene eduru extent say wo gu ni woni ma se poto
how wo gu ni woni ma se o kwa be
so bia ka John Domani mama aka council of elders aka ye wura chachuchi kata penifo se wano so de to asuo ne ntwasu enu glasia general de gu ni woni say wo ye general secretary administrator chief executive of NDC your constitution no can clear
oh yeah
what would you what the wings no asha wonsa and what the day to day administration asha wonsa actually there was a chairman yes fake and a neck etinasia one tina dwam no moderate one hwe bonkum ne fa de obi ade ba ne yanyintum de ya no yafa enti se ba meeting ne decide ka se ye ko it doesn't say enu kwa na ba you but we can dey ba ye jitu mu no ye nyina ye agreement ti say general secretary ko tena ba bi ka say ye ni pin sheet nso ye say ye nko na wo ma anye piece na wo so na wo ko tena konwam na watimi aka kire Ghana nyina say ye wo evidence e kire electoral commission awia ye na no obeka sa asem wo ya wo so wo gufra bere nanim ase wo legal team nanim ase wo council of elders nanim ase because meaning say council of elders na ntimi anto fu yie te say kai akufo adum panimfu ya na otuosire boda no wo ntimi ntu ne fu yie a o take decision bia na agu o man nanim ase no e bi na ye na so wo twe general na action ne bibia wo ni purely say akufo adu style ni bia
Captain
na emwa NDC
yes
enti na ye ka say this time Ross what na ba bia no wote ana weti ba bia oti a sa wula balu ya ye hu nyina ka ema so da so wrong decision o take in wrong time no and the NDC akodum pempen so aye dure
Captain
ti mi ka dia na me ka say NDC ni bia wo tie me
na yabotre we your campaign no yabotre we your campaign
ofosu
ampofu tobo Captain sanet here
my ambassador be of Ataba exchange you are say
no but this is a serious allegation against you and
Mamika.
Mami too.
Asɛm see video say me di me regional chairman atɛm.
So some prepare so obey release obey the hand
He doesn't understand the story. Me, I don't talk to people out of ignorance.
Okay.
Me microphone nye something is ignorant of the whole issue. Not one video, no can watch him. And I see video, video. I don't want to have a banter with him. On an question, I mean, another question. I said, you can't say that. I said, I'm the one talking now.
No, Nyabutre no kasa. No. Ode Nyabutre. When I deem it when I deem it fit and right, I will get it and play it for the purpose of yes, I respect you for that. No. I mean, Okasano no ha.
But where's he be wa captain?
Nyabutre, nyame pesa wo ye
ne can from him.
Send a man pen and paper.
Because
captain Tron or you sue any language be against you. Na say otwi madwesi so a na say hu be hia say man apologize, I will let him do that. Thank you. Medasi.
I said he's ignorant of the issue.
Yes.
Whatever say.
Yes.
So when you want to show me video, no nka say o hona asem ni free ba. And I mean so I'm ready say be churches and say no wa say. The way on video no obetima fa say do ozi penny bia. On fa say do penny bia. Me mfa me ho. Whatever say. Na asem o ka no. Cause C4C ni me ka den I will not convince you, and I will not waste my time to convince you.
And C4C ni
chairman for chairman.
Mentia de nasio. C4C chairman for chairman. And I'm also the name.
And there's only C4C.
I know G4C.
Okay, so more C4C na more G4C. Oh, I see. C4C, chairman for chairman, general for chairman. Oh, okay.
I'll not try and convince you because
I see.
I'll not convince you.
G for G, no, I mean breaking it down.
G4C, that's general for chairman.
General for chairman.
Yes. Now me you can say, the chairman I got to win seats, Buzia seats near the Adi. During the 2020 elections, the current chairman did not visit one constituency on his own. If you go 2020 elections, you have 4 election campaign teams. GM campaign team.
Yeah.
Nana campaign team.
Yeah.
General Katier's campaign team.
Yeah.
And for some of a campaign team. He never moved his campaign team. Because or say
chairman are moving the campaign team.
Me catch your cars in this place is one my branding BS one. Because or say Okasa will move my friends on black court. So court case in T. Enti Ashanti region has say General Sedi Ketia visited 15 constituencies on his own. Not with the flag bearer.
Yeah, that I.
You should tell me which constituencies, for example, visited in Ashanti region on his own as a chairman of the party. You should tell me, say, Buzia sitting also again. For example, for Column, and no campaign. General came, Oba in the crown, that's all be deba, and maybe Oba in Shire, so be deba. See, young for him in Krasi Honum. That is where our votes are. Chairman for chairman, for example, for on our time of campaign. He was following GM. Oba one day, and also walk across, say, there's some black court another day. Now see what the we need seat. Which seat? Does he know how the seats were won? General Sedi Ketia, chief executive, even had time off his busy schedule to go to the floor to go do campaign. Now see a winning seat in T. Hey, we should maintain him. Another issue was Obiendi Lemu. What is called Obiendi Lemu?
No, so Captain.
Let me
yes,
Obiendi Lemu.
Yeah.
Party no you obi lemu ana our current chairman for example he was an organizer.
Yeah,
he was a vice chairman.
In fact, we be DC crowd Anambwa
me party structures.
Okay.
He was an organizer.
Yeah,
he was a vice chairman. He was a chairman. Which one is his lane? Is his lane organizer? Is his lane vice chairman? Or his lane chairman? And now for no contest they didn't contest people. So somebody who jumped from organizer to vice chairman to chairman, what is his lane? Does he even know his lane? Say obi de ni de say on the onye secretary sir. And on one try organizer on so on the ni lame ni organizer ejuma na ti on the organizer no betra. So let's not talk without facts. Say general secretary there, his lane is to be the general secretary of the party. That man in chair NDC constitution say his bona fide property is to be a general secretary of the party. There be a equal elections as general secretary no so no. Will be contesting no. He has never gone unopposed as general secretary. Though we are saying that his position is the general secretary. And the party can say when he's going for general secretary, nobody should contest him.
Intended no person back as chairman.
Where the party has gotten to.
I drew him from.
We have gotten to dire times. Of your party in history, there is no chairman or dear Kunkukua, you are maintaining as chairman. Chairman will be Kunkubian, and next one, you free on them, you will be forever.
I see. Of chairman or the position beyond Muyafi
or Akubia, you will do Kukuno. You will be forever.
I see.
Of what is no different from that. We need brave, courageous leaders who have time for the party to do party work. You hear church elders at this time of the party.
We hear church elders.
There be.
I saw him paying for Mum.
You hear church elders at the time of the party. In opposition, we need leaders. Umwakukudra. The Cassia Kokuna. Umako. Until a party need me as vice chairman. I don't want to go for church elder be so many vice chairman of the party.
Church elder be as one contested. And I'm not watching.
Well, I'm vice chairman. They were allergists inside. They were educationists inside. There were professors inside. There were there were a lot of people inside. I had 8 contenders.
Yeah.
Professor, educationist, banker, whatever. Why didn't they choose those people? Because in himself they couldn't do hear mama. You know, be I also was gone. No, I just so your quack, your party, they say no retreat, no surrender. No, I say inside team. Is that a leader who want to go for 2022? For what say, your quack, now you're dino. You say, when you're going for a battle, you should know that it's going to be difficult. Your quack, will say, yes, you retreat.
That decision was a bad decision for the party.
It was more than a bad decision for the party. That is why 16 of us got killed during the 2020 election. Because the 2 kills say, they pay because you're retreating. So we don't need a chairman who say that we should retreat. There be yempe retreat. As a soldier, there is no retreat.
But Captain, during more regional elections, what was chairman? Nana Kwesi. I can say General said don't get here. Ebe campaign editiano.
See, now I'm not coming to where he's coming from. Sabi meti ase no. Me pa nti me yadia me di reason me me sorry enku bo mitimi nya nyoma bi se bi etia se na C4C ba ha se na me regional chairman kokko kan sem bi wo radio so ni TV so me so me G4C G4C leader in Ashanti region. I have to reply him. What you say?
That time no more now you occupy your position as the first vice chairman. Yes, and he was also the chairman.
So what can assembly? I saw kind who asem. Me reply and they who. That's why I didn't want to enter into race. Because that's an issue between me and the chairman. We ourselves we are cool about it already. You can go on talk until woman me from talk anko. On the car assembly. Now me man reply. And we are cool about it already. Yeah, maybe. Also, an issue. That's why I didn't want to talk about it. I didn't want to go into it over there. Only as more kind, one can't say more kind, one can ye. If I reach that time, I could general cut only 200 of some of Kono between Juma and some 2 more for some of no for Saturday, Obelus, or Lusoka say, General Secretary to me, Juma. Can you sit there and tell your boss that you can't work with your boss, or your boss will tell you he can't work with you? Which one is it? Catch them, you say. What Majaka so, or general manager to Nina Juma? It's not the one who can say that he cannot work with you. So if you sit down and say, oh, general manager, he can't work with you. In an extreme case, when I work as a bit what did you don't you resign? Won't you resign? Or he should resign?
You bet your man resign.
So that's what I'm saying that. So, general Winia, because of resign, as because general resigning. After people have voted for him. So such comment, you should tell also catch a chairman say asem okay no kan ye
and also reply and say
me catch say Siano asem wo kai no see for see nkuku obedi nkuku no it is a general bar Richard Obe resign ana that's what I asked him.
So it was a rhetorical question.
So I asked him.
I see.
And he's taking it as an issue. He himself has not even taken it as an issue.
Captain, your time no echo. So I just want one policy from each of you. Edi asem na G4C akache wama, I mean, Sisiama wudi nechi to that level.
Let me give you one policy of G4C. When I left the soldier, because me jai soldier because me bafi. Na mko general say oh. Me say me jai soldier no because I say because of party politics in it. Or my target, I want to leave the soldier. No, because me say me jai the idea. Ashanti region mu hear me more. Inti me ko Ashanti region ko boa party. Because so me go jia jibre. Na me fa that security no. Our party in here at the polling station or in the region. Me fa mra. Because party ni emre or Ashanti region. Inti policy bi am dey ko kaka kire. Branch executive and as council executive from Otuaba. It is general who told me that I should come do that work. And that is what I can do. That's what we call foresight as a leader. Because of the foresight.
I see.
As a leader. Son of foresight no. You go to my leader say we increase seats. Now is it no? When was increasing it was general secretary was it not the general secretary?
Wafa.
Or was it a
Wafa so policy banner. Chairman of Usapo
me back to a bit. Me vice e kasano. No so one person be engage me. Now so me respect that in view.
Yeah.
But one more asema me who say entro me can to entro no church now.
I see.
To extend say Nana Kwesi Banta a NDC asem na yeka.
That's all so NDC asem na.
Thank you. When Nana Kwesi ni issue.
Yes.
Election na ye kono. Papa bo bomni bo ye NDC asem.
Of course.
Enti anya between you and Nana Kwesi. It is a wo ya dia na wo kan asem bi. Na say wadwene yo say Nana Kwesi mfa busa ho say e beda meji the interest of the party, the unity of the party, and I said that and only the superior a year was a nipa bia as a politician yefa and we are number one.
But also okan o chairman there no.
Me pa cho say
the chairman there no also
okan. Me pa cho me buy me ka say ma hunu video bi.
Yeah.
Me hunu chairman video na be ka chairman video.
And ono ne there na wo hu ye. Ono ne there na wo ye na wo ka.
Say me hunu chairman video na ko ka chairman video. Na wo ka chairman say me fa chairman video ncho na me nya ncho wa. Me kan to na my ye papa.
Enti wo hu captain.
Ono ne video me hu ye. Enti the best in the platform kese we ya wanya say wo beka.
Okay. So are you convinced with the solution?
Me convinced because the oka ye no ne video na me hu ye no ensipe.
But so what church no?
Oh, mini problem. And I'm say.
And I saw na Akoma to him.
Makoma dia to me ye mini problem o the problem I me want say. Say ye wura say dun katia ma vision. E perfect. Enti ye wura say dun katia as a general secretary or ye administrator wo wa ma. Nu ana ko ye ne tinka wa we ni lesson na. E ka vision no awu. Enter be winning. Me pa chow. Nka beti me lose. Me. Oh, why not? Nka beti why? Listen.
But so
fun say nka wo lose ya. Enti dia wo.
I will not lose.
Oh, why? Now
because I know no lose. Me na me ko listen me say I no lose.
O ka say ma fa pen you. Tu ma fa pen. Enti wo so chairman wa daro ma so ho so. Because one. We yes at this one. Asema wo can say yampa. I disrespect to the Ashanti region 2020 election. Ye nyina ye boama ye no. Make say adwuma ye na se adun katia person what na ka say ya nya adwuma ni ye nti wo bra beboa na ye nya adwuma ni yi. Oh yes.
Na so we ni ya na ka wini ye.
Nanti se chief executive officer. Na wo dia ko congress na ye lusu. We lusu back, we lusu mienu won dia wo tena wo. Na be ka say chairman bia ko no lusu a ye mfani nko biem ye to aba amana. Na yes okura woni mu duty as a chief executive officer.
Okay.
So one for one. Ni buta ya na ni policy ewo kwa enunti ehia se ye to aba ma no ye oye nipa unity ewo party no number 1 ehia no.
Okay.
And we you obi a wo ma kwan edi wo eni wo bia timi ye adwuma which every say dun katia woni me syndrome na was in Katiamu no and a pomuni pani be free party no.
I see.
A pomuni pani be free party no. But see don't Katia of one for you beer where you unify. Why ya adwene say nipa bibre bia wo NDC mu no. Etu be mu say ya to aba we. Na say see don't Katia lose a. Of one to unity in everything all. Is important papa. This is what we need politics. And I can say me dear, but I hear woman say me den kabomu a bet ye adwuma because all unity be a policy and as a press be a will be bet me.
It's unity the policy.
Number one, the priority number one.
No, is it a priority or a policy?
Me say number one priority.
Okay.
10 years pa number. Ji will be a winning politics.
Okay.
Now fair no I na say me wo jini ma me nkwane na mu bia keke. And we underrated the unity in the party.
Yeah.
Because who small will be what the policy.
Only chairman and Nakwesi one camp. More chairman of Osampo for camp.
Me nimba bi na Nakwesi wo.
Okay.
But me media me wo for Swampofo.
Oh, okay.
And then I advise am ya tia say na Nakwesi wo of Swampofo.
Chairman no kasa.
Oh,
me chama wo. Eh si for.
Wakachro.
No
wakachro.
Is it any wodi hun komo?
Oh, sir.
Say be no say as o yes me na Kwesi wa asem me ni no say yedi komo. Eh ti the boss as a video na say
chairman
to explain this be say guys so.
Adie bi abeka bia one say wo what and I confirm. So o ka chen say na Nakwesi say me mente. Until I become so wo no. Because obeka so of atahin na me udi komo no. Me ka say de mahunu ni de work because your original chairman etu abanu odi na nim na kwa the right hwe na me nu ka asem bi me nka na ye ma etiefo no ono anso wo hunu wo ta kwadu anu ayi ne mirika wo se ye te campaign team 4 of some of the way move adentina what tisi from ye se wo mra court ho amuntina no wo sa court
onuntina no ko
misiro chairman so ho so Chairman, what captain you?
No, Maminti.
What is it for ma? Near Fro Court. What is it for me to wo one Taraja na say a team I want to moko. Nene, what fidiness from ya lodu bibia, ube duro near Frewa. Nya party na wo Number 2, chairman. Say you don't domini mamma, but some chairman when you mamma can't emanate. Or ba no be share with 2 and your party chairman also introduce your Fabia actually with 2 for near Santa Mai.
Yeah.
Some more other region be I am Funia Titi Obiwa. And T. Ben being what do be on him per se. Fabia in the baby. Na party chairman so nam the baby. And it's a no campaign message dia mo campaign atons you.
Okay.
Maybe one kati to me mwa NDC as a regional national chairman Jack.
I see.
But
no. What make a valid point?
Come in examples.
Oh, but so when you come me a valid point.
Me bang. Executive say what was here. When is a don't get any sami demfi encha.
Who you sure?
Yes.
How?
Let's improve it.
Win him.
And then the minimum.
I said don't get here say. Press conference ni bibi wa son kono na eye. Ana sami demfi so na your communication na yiwa je aye. Etware ne ncha. Oni Pablo ncha. Oni Akamba ncha.
Sir.
And who be pen national chairman. Na wo mo ye elected e say otu mutan ya broja ayi ya kan say sami jamfi wa be win oh maka no kura chiro na dey
no so what for
prove paper na wo pe and it is true ma body ni o man ka say woni wo di mu nko ma body ni
maminya tobo maminya say is it an allegation or a fact
oh menua woni pabro pa
minimum
woni pabro
yeah.
No,
me person me who say from you.
Me see a allegation and a fact.
It's a fact.
We are for
from
recording in my papa.
Okay.
A channel was singing for Fatampo court to some tro. At was in Katia. Me see anti one yen section what done for one. And said of yes position I bent no sorry I can say me go position view. The position a babo party interest.
Into Naka General Secretary babo I said don't get here.
Babo ye here for swamp of na ye adwuma. I don't know the chin papa corner memra. Are you selfish? Are you greedy? Are you greedy? What's here for top of why organizer? Why you vice chairman? Why you we say? And until one corner bimla. What in is general secretary one? Obi be pamono.
Legend.
You can't get into me.
Legend, Bramuna. In the next 2 minutes now.
Yevi.
for addressing these issues.
I'll
come to you.
Captain, young point. I think say Captain Yawotre. I believe say by the time I'm Captain Baba Pet Nitibre, not baby or Tehona Mimiti. Captain come in Kakra. Aha, me cultural said the Yakunyano Sabekan Yamiado. Unsaka, into Unsaka, the idea so yes, Swamamre. I say, oh, we now finish here. Now, Jamie, winning. I believe say about to now because offer any captain will be a one camp. One thing say a foot near the mamma fan comma a general any chairman. Say, sir, concert no mukwe will keep cushion. A ma about to keke. Any youth organize about to keke. Oh, there be a bit wouldn't can you do Kumasi Sports Stadium. Me only the original elections. It to ye. Mama police for big gano namurum. And no, one said I'm going to me condemn me. I did my quay me cry ya cranis or mukoto. And now last week about our Cape Coast University no. But a single member of NDC or Bob and Teba condemn me. Sent to trust them their course or honomono. What one condemn me?
And Council of Elders.
Why? Council of Elders. Council of
Elders. Because of Pablo Semoka. Enoch Nsema Oka and then Victor Smith Asema Kokan will on your TV and no pay.
Sure. Yes, I was suspecting no baby of no. And you cancel of Fred and some make of no listen. No, I was suspecting say a national executive member. I was suspecting a national executive member say no, I am not talking about Akufo. I'm talking about NPP. No, I am talking about no, one condemn me. No, Jamie. I expectation at least a national executive member. Na kwa one time about the patrol. When I say about condemn me. Mujanja kumisa. Etuwe a foot one and the mamma. Okay. Move for some message when say this time around say to trust them na mukwaye ye e wo Cape Coast no enya dia ye be entertain sad ye because among for believe say MPP entimi mu mani ya differently NDC na so mo so timi ba na send this nso eba na ma start your concert we dia ene na Ghana na kwa na say buy okay me da say living legend of Atameda say dia munya ofa me time aso nipa ba ko na be chia na dia because time aso na me wrap up with this
this for the deputy in say
okay
see for so ampofu nyamfo enye nanka me hu say obi say yempe elder as we leader
okay
me fa bi bo ne nche wo
but I say thank you very much Wafata. Thank you Captain Kwame John Jabari menende JB nyame ya duma the best so share bi Ghana majujuma die so ne may the spirit of the living God be with you. We shall meet again. Thank you. And God be with you all.
Bend